Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how giant shark meat is processed, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more.
Bring that pallet up slowly.
Okay, clear on the left. Did you get the temperature reading on the dorsal yet?
To meet our rigorous hygiene standards, every cut is subjected to this multi-stage purification process, ensuring absolute sanitation control.
We have a critical deviation in sector gamma. Reroute the flow immediately.
Every cut is precisely controlled to ensure consistency and quality. Every package is thoroughly inspected before distribution.
And that's how giant shark meat is processed. Hain, from arrival to distribution.